Hi, welcome back. In this video, I wanted to do another glass painting with resin, but I wanted to add a couple different techniques into my painting. I am starting by taking some metallic silver spray paint and spraying some lines on two different positions on the glass vase. I did let this sit and spin for about 5 minutes, and I'm speeding up that process now. While it was drying, I went ahead and pre-mixed my resin and added my colors. And now I am adding the resin to the vase. I am using my finger to spread the resin. I just want to make sure there's a very thin layer of resin covering the surface of the vase. This vase project should take about 2 ounces of resin total. I am double checking that I have the bottom of the vase covered and the very top of it covered. Now I'm going to start adding some colors. I don't have a color plan or pattern. I just thought I would be a little whimsical and see how it looks. I am listing all the supplies I am using in the description box below this video. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comment box. These colors are not as bold as what I was hoping for, so I'm mixing some more resin and adding a metallic silver color. I think I'm getting a little carried away with the silver like I did in a previous video. Now that I've got the colors on the vase, I am taking my heat gun and moving up and down a full rotation to help release any air bubbles. This also helps the colors blend and move. I can already tell that my colors are too transparent for my project and the silver is taking over. I think this is really pretty, but it's not the look I was going for. I am trying to scoop up some of the resin that has fallen to see if I can add more color on top of the silver. And so far, it's not working. This vase is really pretty. It has the soft purple hues and the pink hues, but I want something a little more dramatic. So I got out my alcohol ink and I decided I'm just going to start dabbing in colors and see what happens. I can already tell that the color of the alcohol ink is just what I wanted. The colors are bold and they're holding on top of the silver, which can be overpowering sometimes. I'm using my heat gun now to go ahead and blend the color that I have on there now. I don't want to go too crazy because this alcohol ink is strong. I am loving how the ink is moving and it's creating these lines. It is so pretty. I am adding more of the silver from the bottom just to give it a little more accent and to help the colors blend. I'm going to add some heat and then I'll let this spin for 12 hours and then I'll let it rest for 24 hours just to be sure it's fully cured. This is the final vase. What do you think? I love it. Let me know in the comment box what you think and what colors you would use. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.